to work on coordination is really fascinating. I was always interested in searching for the invisible. I was speculating how animals, and we are also animals, how we can organize, almost self-organize, so many degrees of freedom and produce such a beautiful harmonic movement. We have so many joints that can move in so many different ways. There is a really fluctuating, dynamic environment that surrounds us. We've seen athletes dribbling, running, jumping, and someone may be pushing them in the air, and yet they would be able to kind of hold the balance, reconfigure themselves, and still put the basket in a hoop. I said how I could create a practice that could support that kind of effectivity. Practice that would support the self-organizing capacity of our beautiful moving bodies. And so I started to pay a lot of attention to coordination and rhythm, because I believe that coordination and rhythm is the base for athletic and moving development.